Hey devs, coding wasn't supposed to be this stressful. Yet here we are, fighting for our lives over one tiny bug. Let's see how we can turn all this pain into relief. Let's get started. Some days, even the smallest task, like formatting JSON or checking an API, ends up drowning us in way too many tools. You start with one simple task, maybe a quick URL encode or a code review, and suddenly you're juggling tool after tool just to finish it. And then comes that moment when the code just refuses to work, no matter what you try. There are times you just wish someone would hand you the solution. Well, here it is, and it fixes everything. I didn't realize how stressed I was until everything I needed showed up at once. A JSON formatter, a code reviewer, a code generator, a URL encoder, a URL decoder, an API tester, all finally in one place. I didn't notice how heavy everything felt until Quto.dev made it all lighter. Before Quto.dev, my work felt scattered and stressful. But after Quto.dev, I finally felt real relief. When all your tools finally live in one home, your peace of mind comes back too. That's what Quto.dev gives you. Every essential tool in one simple place, so you can focus, code, and breathe again. Try this now.